name's Chuck Stone, I live down here on Triple Crown, I got some problems with my driveway. The curbing, I talked to the maintenance supervisor back in May, I'm trying to do something with it. What's happening is curbs breaking off almost daily. I gotta go out there and pick up a handful of rocks. And my real concern is our neighborhood has become a child playground. We got about 12 or 13 new neighbors, all got children. And I'm afraid, I've already hit a couple of them with the lawnmower. I'm afraid it's gonna, fly out at one of them kids. Not to mention the nuisance of picking the stuff up there.
Do you have an address?
It's up there, all in there.
Right over here. Hold on, here, you can,
Is the corner lot.
3405.
I mean, I realize
This is first time I've heard about it. I can look, I'm getting ready to approve some other curbs in the township, and I can have them out.
see, they just come out and dig the rest of it out, throw some coal patch for it, until they get around to it.
It needs to be taken out and replaced,
I mean,
what it needs to be.
I get a lot of turnaround traffic there, cause it's the first street on the left after people make the wrong turn. They make the wrong turn, the first street on the left, they turn around and, of course, I got a big old motor home, I take it out there occasionally too, that's probably not helping nothing, but,
I was gonna say, that's probably your issue.
my driveway's fine, it's the curbing that's bad.
That's all good. We'll look at it.
Alright,
and,
so you can keep those.
Okay, yep, and I will get.
Like, maybe we get some temporary till the winter, through the winter
No,
anyway.
no, they're getting ready to go into,